G'day legends, time for a market update, a little bit of a news update, see what's been going on. Well, the last couple of days have been pretty topsy-turvy, up and down, all over the place in Bitcoin. We had about 2 days ago, we'd had that steady climb up in Bitcoin we're talking about, so the market leader. We got to 98,000 roughly. And then we shot up to 102,000, a nice, 3% gain or something like that. And then the next day it was a 5% down, and then the next day after that it was another 5-ish% down. So we'll go in and have a quick look at that. So here we are for today, for the last 24 hours. As you can see, we've gone from 97 to 90, just under 93 really. We're currently sitting at 95. If we have a look at the week, you can see what I was talking about. So we had this nice slow rise up, which is what you want, and then we had a jump. Because of that, we've probably tried to get rid of some longs and drop that down, some leverage, and now we're down here. So if you were excited in this area here, Bitcoin's up over 100,000 again and all this, and you were thinking about buying something, theoretically, down here's a better place to buy it. Not financial advice, but just, talking sensibly, all right? Ethereum, about a $500 downswing, roughly, and we're about $400 down from its top point this week now. That's your month. So Ethereum, not looking like too bad of a buy if Ethereum's the type of thing you're after. Remembering it can always keep going further down. There's no guarantee it'll stay at this level. It could go further. XRP is positive, 3% for the day, and about 1% for the week. I believe there's rumours of good news for XRP. It's looking more and more likely that they will get the ETF, and I think there's other rumours there. I'll have to check into them. I won't spread rumours, but it looks like good news. That's that's good for the XRP army. Let's have a look at the day. Lots of red. We'll check in on. We'll go AVAX, one of my bigger favourite coins. Very much coming down into a nice buy zone for me. My personal. I like this $35–36 range through here, and I don't buy it when it's up here, and then this is a nice spot for me, so I'll be looking into that one when I get home. I'm not actually at home at the moment. As you can see, just lots of red, small green. Monero. Was not expecting this coin necessarily to make it back. It had some really bad news. I can't remember what it was off the top of my head, about 6 months ago. And as you can see, it dropped like $80, which was about 60%, I think, at the time. I can't remember off the top of my head. But it was, whatever it was, the news, I was like, well, it might not make it back from that. Alright, so it's the top 100 to 200, same thing again. This one called Gas is up decent. It's about the only, let's jump to 45 positions. So if you know about that coin, that's good. We'll move on to our Fear and Greed Index. Fear and greed's at 69. So still in greed, but definitely not as high as, you know, just around the Christmas time when it was at 93 at one stage. Bitcoin dominance chart. We'll see whether Bitcoin or altcoins are making a move. Right, looking at this part just here, it looks like it's Bitcoin's making a move up towards 58. Yeah, Bitcoin definitely looks like it's starting to win the battle at the moment. Alright, so why is all this happening? Rumours of war and aggressive acts from Trump when he comes into power may be to do with it. Those type of things scare markets. Go look those things up yourself. I don't want to talk about it too much. The American head of the Fed, Jerome Powell, has come out and been talking hawkishly, so like aggressively, about not giving as many rate cuts to the Americans. That'll mean less money flowing into the American economy, and also their jobs numbers. The job loss rate went up, I believe. So just adding more uncertainty into their economy, being the world's leading economy. It affects all markets, including crypto. That's about all of the bad news that there is, really. So some of it might be an overreaction just to things that have been said. I can't find much more than that at the moment. So yeah, don't be worried long term. I wouldn't think. You know, if there is a war or something like that, from what I've noticed since I've been in crypto, we tend to have a flash crash if something starts, and then people have short memories. It starts to go back up again fairly soon. It doesn't seem to take very long. But I, hope we're all wishing and praying and whatever that we don't have any more of conflicts and wars, because it's horrible. And camera closed. Yeah. So anyway, so hopefully none of that happens. That would be far better for the world. And yeah, so basically the message today is, if you'd liked Bitcoin a couple of days ago, or if you liked any of your favorite altcoins a couple of days ago when it was up at 102,000 and you were starting to get excited, the prices are a lot better now. Not financial advice, of course. I'm just some guy on the internet bringing you the worldwide markets for crypto, and for what I've heard and been going on from my point of view in a very layman's terms. So hopefully this has helped you if you're newer to crypto. If it has, chuck a like on the video, post a comment, where you're from or whatever. And have a great afternoon. Do something nice for someone else. Crypto Bogan out.